The Florida State Board of Education will restore funding to school districts that had defied the state by imposing mask mandates now that their mask orders have been lifted, the board voted Tuesday, but the state still may take action against the Biden administration if it moves forward with its leg. The Biden administration's cease and desist order is expected to be heard by an administrative judge at a December 10 hearing if the federal government does not drop the case, Engle said Tuesday. Corcoran also noted that while the agency is restoring funding to the school districts now that they've said they would comply with the state policy, it will be monitoring their compliance and will not hesitate to take enforcement action if necessary. The U.S. Department of Education has preview. Florida is one of 10 states to impose policies that blocked or severely restricted schools from imposing mask mandates, but the state's policy has been among the most controversial as Florida's COVID-19 cases surged at the start of the school year. The Florida Board of Education and Governor DeSantis have held parents should be able to determine whether or not their child should wear a mask in school, despite widespread opposition and multiple lawsuits challenging the policy. One lower court judge did succeed in briefly blocking the law, but an appeals court then put the law back in effect, and courts have so far sided with Florida in other cases against the mask mandate ban. In addition to implementing the Project Safe grants and filing its legal complaint against Florida, the U.S. Department of Education has also launched civil rights investigations into Florida and other states banning school mask mandates to determine whether the policies violate the rights of students. All Florida school districts lift mask mandates after COVID cases fall, part of nationwide trend. Forbes Biden administration files cease and desist to stop Florida from withholding school funds over mask mandates. Forbes Florida School Board punishes schools with mask mandates, and tries to neutralize